Hello children, let's study GK now. In our previous class, I taught you the names of some domestic animals and I taught you how they help us. Yes, let's revise the same topic today. I want all of you to open your My Picture book to page number 999. I am very fine. I'm very fine because I've come to teach you all. Yes? Now, let's read from the book first. The first picture in your book that you have is of a buffalo. Buffalo gives us milk, children. And there are many things that we can make with milk. So many sweets, butter, ghee, cheese, your favorite paneer. Yes? So how useful that milk is. I taught you about 3 milk-giving animals. Yes? Buffalo, cow and goat. So if anyone asks you, name 3 milk-giving animals, my little children are very quickly going to answer this question. Buffalo, cow and goat. Yes? The second picture that we have here is of a horse. वो गाना सुना है आपने? लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम दबा के दौड़ा. मजा आता है आपको हॉर्सी राइड में? In English also there is a poem. One pace of a horsey ride, tick tock, tick tock. So horse is our friend. It is used for racing also, and then we can ride on it. Okay? The third picture that we have is of a cat, children. Cat. Cat loves to drink milk and जब हमारे घर में बहुत सारे चूहे हो जाते हैं, हम परेशान हो जाते हैं, चूहा नटखट ऐसे बिल के अंदर से बाहर आके कभी हमारे शूज, कभी हमारे क्लोथ्स ऐसे उनको कुतर के खा जाता है. That time if we have a cat in the house, the cat eats the rat. And it's such a furry animal, no? Children love to take it in hand. Yes. So cat is also a domestic animal, children. Sheep. Sheep. You all know that, right? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. You would have learnt it in your nursery class, children. Yes. So that rhyme teaches us that sheep gives us wool. And wool is used to make woolen clothes like sweaters, jackets, scarves, shawls. Yes? So, sheep also helps us by providing us wool to keep us warm and cozy during winter season. Goat. Goat. What does a goat say, children? And goat is a, what does goat give us? There you are. You already know that. Goat also gives us milk. Cow. Cow. Buffalo, goat and cow are the 3 milk-giving animals. We should have 2 glasses of milk every day. Then camel. Camel is known as the ship of desert. Yes, ship of desert. It can store water and food in its stomach for days. और जहाँ पे कोई भी ट्री नहीं है, प्लांट नहीं है, केवल रेगिस्तान है, only mud and mud, sand dunes, we find so difficult to walk. Yes, but camel walks easily and it has got a hump on its back. It's got a hump. So when we sit on a camel, how it does? 1, 2, like this. And we enjoy camel ride. Then we have picture of a donkey. Donkey. Donkey carries loads for us. बहुत भारी सामान होता है ना, वो उठाता है. Yes, जब आप देखते हो anywhere any construction work is going, how a donkey carries sack of mud. How it helps us. Yes, it carries load for us. And then we have picture of a dog. What does dog do? A dog guards our house. It plays with us. Yes? So children, these are only 9 names of domestic animals in your book. Please read them daily and learn their names, children. Okay, now ma'am has made some pictures for you. Pictures of these domestic animals. Let's try to see them and try to recognize. Tell me, what animal is this? Buffalo. Yes. Then the second one. This is a horse. And then what animal is this? Cat. This is a cat. This is a sheep. Sheep. This is a goat. Goat. And here we have a picture of a, there you are, cow. Cow also gives us milk. And what is this? Tell me, what animal is this? Camel. After camel, we have a picture of our animal friend which carries load for us. Donkey. And then, wow, dog. Yes, you all love to play with puppies. How they wag their tail, no? When they see small children. Dog is a very friendly animal, children, and it guards our house at night. We should always treat these animal friends of ours with love and care. Yes, we should take care of them and never harm them. Okay, children, please learn the names of these domestic animals, and more than that, learn to take care of them. Okay?